on core Java. So in the last video we discussed about multi-dimensional arrays. Now in this video we'll concentrate on example programs on multi-dimension array, how it is handling, so that we can see. In a multi-dimensional, we seen last time, those all are the different arrays. Now we'll see how this is a example program will work with the multi-dimensional with the same size of array. Means here multi-dimensional, we'll see that there could be a multi-dimensional array. It should be, maybe it has a same size or it should be the different. So but right now today in this program, equal size of multi-dimensional array, how that can be handling this, how is the output from that, we will see here. So here I am creating one new project and a name of multi-dimensional array. So just I am creating multi-dimensional demo. So multi-dimensional demo. I am creating one new project here. So in this project, as usually we will create one package and one class. Here I am creating one package. New package. So AndroIndian. Created a package here. So here within this package I am creating this one class. That class is nothing but here multi-dimensional. Okay, it's created with class. Here we need to create public static void main. So public static is the main class, public static void main. So here public static void main. So in this here string args, this already we know basic this thing. So args, then open and close for this. Okay, now within this class, here I am creating one integer array. So int arr. So I am creating here multi-dimensional array. This is the indication for multi-dimensional array that already we see in our last video. So here I am creating some integer arrays 1, 2, 3. So this is the first array, and here the second array is 4, 5, 6, and this third array is 7, 8, 9. So just I created 3 arrays, end of the statement, semicolon. So 3 arrays with the 3 values. Then here I am writing one for loop. So how we can write for loop is the int condition first I equal to 0, then I less than array dot length. So that much length it can be generated here. Then I plus plus. Okay. Then now here within this again I am writing one more array. One more for loop, that is for int something j equal to 0, again j less than, j less than. So what is that less than? This we can check this array position of, means I want to check with the based on position I dot length, position based length I am checking this. Then finally j plus plus. Again for this open and close brace. Then here I am writing one system. I want to print the values, that is system dot out dot println. So system dot out dot println of here I want to show these values of array I, means ARR of this I as well as the j values. So I want to print both values. Okay, both values I want to print here. Just I want to leave some space after each value. Just I give like this. Then else here just I create here outside system dot out dot println with empty values. So println just empty value I created here. Then outside of this I am writing this one for loop. So that is like already we discussed this kind of this, that is for each loop. I am writing here for each loop. So for int, so that is x condition array, what is we declared array, then here okay, here extra this brace came out, so that's why I removed that. Okay, this is then here now again one more for this here what we will write int y colon x, just I am comparing that value here this. Then again this system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println here just I'll print y value, so some space for this. Then else, so empty value here, this value can print here, this empty values how it should come this. See here, now I'm running this project, we can see this output how it should be here. See, the output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then this is here 1 1 1, this is done. Then 1 2 3, this is for each loop 7 8 9, like this it is repeating like this. This is the how this multi-dimensional arrays is printing like this. So this is about multi-dimensional array, one example. We'll see another examples in next video. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.